Good day everyone. Today we have a tremendous machine. It's a KAESER ASDA 50T SFC. It's a 25 kilowatts screw air compressor with the SFC option. It's inverter, and integrated air dryer. The compressor has a lot of equipment. It's equipped with the Sigma 2 model. We have right here two Sigma 2 control cards with RFID control. Now we'll log in with my card, just like that. So we are already logged in. This compressor has around 26,000 hours. We know a lot about this machine. It's regularly maintained, and in 2021 actually the air dryer was damaged, so in 2021 we have put it a new one instead. So it's a brand new dryer. Let's open up the compressor. It's a direct drive machine. This motor is declared to 27 kilowatts for inverter input, but on 8 bars this compressor is maxed to 8.5 bars, but on 8 bars it consumes around 20 amps of power only. So we have a Sigma 19 screw element, and also thermostatic actuator right here. We can modulate the temperature you want. This is a fan, EO model here. Let's close it up. It's just brilliant compressor. Right here in the electric compartment we have all neat electronics combined with ABB inverter right there. Everything looks neat and in working condition. Now we will start this machine to see how it builds pressure and how it works. This compressor is pretty silent. I think it's around 62 or 3 decibels. And let's load the compressor. This machine just works perfectly and silently as every compressor I heard before. Let's open the hatches. So it's 2014 compressor. Sigma 2 and don't forget 2 RFID KAESER cards and also brand new air dryer, integrated of course. Let's see the other side from the air dryer. This machine works very well. Thank you kindly for your time and good luck on your bits.